S.E.M. Power is a solar installation company based in Tampa, powering Florida with solar energy since 2009. We've installed solar energy solutions for over 2,500 Florida homes and businesses. We design and install turnkey residential and commercial solar energy systems, solar battery storage systems, electric vehicle charging outlets, and municipal solar arrays. We're a full-service commercial solar engineering, design, and construction firm. Our commercial portfolio includes large-scale solar installations including Babcock Ranch, the SunTrust Building in St. Petersburg, NASA Kennedy Space Center, and Miami's Bayfront Park. SEM Power has installed hundreds of solar energy systems for homeowners throughout Florida, which reduce monthly electric bills while increasing home resale value. Our battery storage systems protect homes and businesses from power outages while saving money on energy costs. If you're looking for the best solar company in Florida, call SEM Power today at 1-888-496-1119 or visit us at sempower.com.